What are the 100 most vulnerable car parts? The most easily damaged parts are often those exposed to frequent wear and tear or external elements. Here are some of the most commonly damaged parts of a car. 1. Battery, prone to depletion, especially in extreme weather. 2. Alternator, often fails due to wear and tear. 3. Starter motor. Frequent starting can wear it out. 4. Spark plugs, need regular replacement for efficient engine performance. 5. Fuel pump, can fail due to contamination or wear. 6. Fuel injectors, prone to clogging from fuel impurities. 7. Timing belt, critical for engine timing, susceptible to braking. 8. Serpentine belt, can wear out or snap. 9. Radiator, prone to leaks and blockages. 10. Water pump, can fail, causing engine overheating. 11. Thermostat, can get stuck open or closed, affecting cooling. 12. Head gasket, can blow, leading to serious engine damage. 13. Oil filter, needs regular replacement to keep oil clean. 14. Air filter, can get clogged, reducing engine efficiency. 15. Brake pads, wear out with use, requiring frequent replacement. 16. Brake rotors, can warp or wear unevenly. 17. Brake lines, can corrode or leak, leading to brake failure. 18. Shock absorbers, wear out, affecting ride comfort and handling. 19. Struts, similar to shock absorbers, they can wear out over time. 20. Ball joints, can wear out, causing suspension issues. 21. Tie rod ends, prone to wear, affecting steering. 22. Control arms, bushings can wear out, leading to poor handling. 23. Wheel bearings, can fail, causing noise and handling issues. 24. CV joints, can wear out, leading to axle failure. 25. Drive shaft, can suffer from wear or damage. 26. Differential, can develop leaks or wear out. 27. Transmission, can fail due to lack of maintenance or high mileage. 28. Clutch, wears out with use, especially in manual transmissions. 29. Flywheel, can develop cracks or wear. 30. U-joints, can wear out, affecting the driveshaft. 31. Exhaust manifold, can crack or develop leaks. 32. Catalytic converter, prone to clogging or theft. 33. Oxygen sensor, can fail, affecting fuel efficiency. 34. Muffler, can rust or develop holes. 35. Tailpipe, prone to rust and damage. 36. EGR valve, can get clogged, affecting emissions. 37. PCV valve, can clog, affecting engine performance. 38. AC compressor, can fail, affecting air conditioning. 39. Mass airflow sensor, can fail, causing engine performance issues. 40. Throttle body, can get dirty, affecting throttle response. 41. Idle air control valve, can fail, causing idle issues. 42. Crankshaft position sensor, can fail, causing starting issues. 43. Camshaft position sensor, can fail, affecting engine timing. 44. ABS sensor, can fail, affecting braking performance. 45. Wheel speed sensor, can fail, affecting ABS and traction control. 46. Brake calipers, can seize or leak. 47. Brake booster, can fail, affecting brake performance. 48. Master cylinder, can fail, leading to brake issues. 49. Power steering pump, can fail, affecting steering effort. 50. Power steering hose, can develop leaks. 51. Steering rack, can wear out, leading to steering issues. 52. Heater core, can leak, causing coolant loss. 53. Gas cap, can fail, causing check engine light. 54. AC condenser, can develop leaks or blockages. 55. Blower motor, can fail, affecting cabin air circulation. 56. Blower motor resistor, can fail, affecting fan speed control. 57. Radiator hose, can crack or leak. 58. Heater hose, can develop leaks. 59. Vacuum lines, can develop leaks, affecting engine performance. 60. Windshield, prone to chips and cracks. 61. Windshield wipers, wear out, affecting visibility. 62. Wiper motor, can fail, affecting wiper operation. 63. Washer pump, can fail, affecting windshield cleaning. 64. Headlights, bulbs can burn out. 65. Taillights, bulbs can burn out. 66. Turn signal lights, bulbs can burn out. 67. Brake lights, bulbs can burn out. 68. Fog lights, bulbs can burn out. 69. Horn, can fail due to electrical issues. 70. Battery cables, can corrode, affecting electrical connections. 71. Fuses, can blow, causing electrical issues. 72. Relays, can fail, affecting various electrical systems. 73. Ignition coils, can fail, causing misfires. 74. Distributor, can wear out in older vehicles. 75. Timing chain, can stretch or break. 76. Valve cover gasket, can develop leaks. 77. Oil pan gasket, can develop leaks. 78. Rear main seal, can develop leaks. 79. Transmission pan gasket, can develop leaks. 80. Axle seals, can develop leaks. 81. Wheel seals, can develop leaks. 82. Sunroof, can develop leaks or mechanical issues. 83. Door seals, can wear out, leading to water leaks. 84. Window regulators, can fail, affecting window operation. 85. Door locks, can fail, affecting security. 86. Key fob, battery can die, affecting keyless entry. 87. Seat belts, can wear out or fail. 88. Airbags, can develop faults. 89. Seat motors, can fail, affecting seat adjustment. 90. Fuel tank, can develop leaks. 91. Fuel lines, can develop leaks. 92. Engine mounts, can wear out, causing vibration. 93. Transmission mounts, can wear out, causing vibration. 94. Body panels, prone to rust and dents. 95. Frame, can rust or bend. 96. Bumpers, prone to damage in collisions. 97. Grille, prone to damage. 98. Side mirrors, prone to damage. 99. Interior trim, can wear out or get damaged. 100. Carpets, can wear out or get damaged. By paying attention to these common areas of damage and taking preventive measures, car owners can extend the lifespan of their vehicles and reduce the need for costly repairs.